Hi, my name is Hugo Madeira, I'm a dentist, and in this short video I will share with you how I win in social media. For those who are more skeptical, here's a little incentive. The illiterate of the 21st century will not to be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn and relearn. Social media platforms have gained a notable importance for brands. Some of them already were communicating digitally, and others felt the pressure to bet on digital marketing. In my clinic, we had to adapt to this brave new world. So, in this course, we will try to answer the following questions. What are the main challenges in social media? What language should I use when I'm sharing my content? How should I contact with possible patients? And what performance indicators should I follow? Let's start with the key challenges. The economy of attention has become one of the great contemporary challenges for brands. It's important to be disruptive, to win in a world full of noise. Therefore, we will cover the following topics: reasons for social marketing in health services, telling versus selling, your service and products in social media, from digital storytelling to story living, the opportunity to continue to be helpful outside the clinic, and different channels, different stories, or not. As humans, we all care about health and the best available solutions on the market to deal with our problems. As such, it's necessary to communicate our services so that they may appear in patients' online searches. By communicating our services, we are helping our society to assess new professionals, to compare solutions and supply, get in contact with medical innovation. Therefore, we've reached the consumer 3.0. This is someone who lives with a phone in his hand and wants to have access to the world through a new and immediate contact. I give you two essential steps to selling clinical services. Ensure that there is a single website with the most relevant information about services, always with visual examples, videos and photos. Facts, frequently asked questions. Constantly mention your product or service in your speech in a creative way, like story living, with testimonials, portfolio like clinical cases before and after, updates, methods, materials, Q&As, live sessions. There are several ways to publish content online. I give you two examples. A weekly plan of contents previously produced and following a certain schedule. As an example, blog articles, YouTube videos, photographs of patient, tips from the doctors. Or a hybrid plan of content, part of it produced and shared in the moment, the soft content, simultaneous balanced with planned information, hard content. The soft content is instant photos, texts, live videos, and the art, blog posts, video facts. As I mentioned before, my team and I, we make it a point to get to know the patients well, even beyond the clinic. Somehow, social media is perfect to learn more about someone. Think about it. If you want to thank a patient for choosing you and your clinic, what is the best way to thank? If you can customize an offer. Facebook and Instagram have already helped me to discover some preference of my patients in order to surprise them. My experience shows that it doesn't make sense to post instantaneously at the same time in different social medias. Let me give you an example. Today we will share a clinical case on Facebook with a brief, purely informative explanation of a case. In a week we will return to publish the same case, but this time on Instagram with a shorter text that appeals to curiosity. Otherwise, if the contents are instantaneously repeated on both channels, it wouldn't make sense to follow both. As already mentioned, the time of response is one of the most important factors when converting followers into customers. In my clinic, we have a wide availability for several accounts or profiles on social media, all aggregated in the same place. This allows us to give a correct answer to every interaction request that arise. Tools like Salesforce, Zoho, HubSpot are essential when we feel that we are losing track of our followers and their requests. Overall, there are tools that allow us to customize messages, answer in real time, record stories, obtain performance indicators. Here are they, the great KPIs, key performance indicators, that will help you manage your brand in social media and compare it with other economic management data. Number of monthly conversions via email, private messages, Facebook, Instagram, etc. The percentage of SEO level, the social media sentiment quality, and brand awareness quantity. Some of the tools we used to get these data are: I will take you on a shortcut tour through the contents that are prepared here at the clinic. Let's recap the key insights shared in this video. Social media presence is as important as telephone at a reception. With the presence in social media, we increased by 90% the probability of being found in searches. The economy of attention is a game that must be played in a creative way. Users have changed and consume content more spontaneously and immediately, valuing always the transparency. There are planned and hybrid content strategies that must be adapted to the level of the organization. It's important to be on different social media networks, but not replicate content in the same moment. It's important to find tools and methods to respond in a timely manner to everyone. And it's important to measure your impact over time to know where to go.